here with Pursuit Physical Therapy, and today I'm just going to teach you a very basic exercise to help alleviate wrist pain and wrist tightness. So to begin with, choose which wrist you would like to work on first, and you'll make a fist with that hand. And then with the opposite hand, you'll clasp your wrist, pull down, keep that action of pulling down, and then all you do with the fist is take it forward and then back. And you can go in circles one way and then the other. You might hear some crunchiness. That's just muscle tissues and fascia tissue breaking up. But if you keep continuing to do this, going forward and back, you might every once in a while hear a little bit of a pop or some crunching sensations. But then once you let go and you move your fingers around, you might feel some differences from one hand to the other. And then you just do the exact same thing on the second side. One side will tend to be tighter than the other. I've noticed, for me personally, I'm right-handed, so my right side is tighter, but everybody's different. So same thing on the second side. Clasp your wrist, hold down, and make a fist, and you can go in circles. Now everyone's a little bit different. Some people like to face their wrist forward. Some people like to face them back towards themselves, and some people like to go out to the side, whichever is the easiest and feels the best for you. Personally, I always like to go to the side because I feel like I get into the tissue a little bit more, but just clasp your wrist, pull down, make a fist, and then go sideways in circles one way. And then after you've done that a couple times, just release and you can shake your hands out and then just notice the differences from before we started the exercise to now. And that is just a very simple, basic exercise that you can do every day to help alleviate wrist pressure and tightness.